what floor this is? I'm trying to get back to my apartment. I've been lost for days. It's not all bad, though. I don't like to brag, but I did find half a cheese puff here yesterday. How come you guys don't have collars on? Are you lost? If you need help, you are definitely talking to the wrong guy. You should go find Max and Duke. They always help me when I'm lost. Now, if I can only remember where they live. Keep sniffing around and you'll find them. This elevator is taking forever. Oh, pellets. I gotta fix that.
What are you pumping? Hey, Gidget.
Are you okay?
What? I'm trying to get me.
You seem like you need help.
No, I do not need help. Gidget, stop.
What do you think?
Green.
Whoa, Chloe! Look how fluffy it is. Look at the cute little sprinkle on her face. Aww.
Probably yes.
My name is Gidget, and this here is...
Nobody, do not learn my name. We will not be friends.
She's kidding.
Nope.
Come on, Chloe. We can't just ignore them. They probably... Oh, a fly. That's how they focus. Hey, fly. Do you need any help? Come on in. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
Dogs. Well, it looks like that's your cue to leave. Anyway, I'd say it's been great, you know.
Hold on, wait.
Look at that.
Let's do this! Hey,
Puppy, still looking for Max and Duke? Yeah, I hear that. Story of my life. It's like, should I go down that tunnel to the left? Or should I go to the right? The world is full of so many mysteries. Okay, definitely should have gone to the left.
oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming in.
Oh wow, there's just so many of them.
Hey, little guys.
So how do I put this delicately, your strays?
Wouldn't it be great if someone could just adopt all of them?
Sure, but they don't exactly look house trained.
Hey, maybe I could adopt one.
Duke, I love you, man, but you are barely house trained yourself.
Yeah, true. Hey, you guys should go see Snowball.
That's a good idea. He helps all kinds of animals.
And he does it in a cape. So, you know he's a hero.
Garbage truck! Get out of here! Beat it! Sorry.
We have to yell at it to leave, or it'll just stay there.
This place would be wall-to-wall garbage trucks and mailmen if it wasn't for us.
Welcome to the secret headquarters of Captain Snowball. Now, I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's just because it provides the perfect cover for my superhero activities. Also, it is a little kid's room. You know, I really hope you puppies are clean. I don't even want to tell you what happens if the secret lair gets dirty. I mean, I'll be fine, but Molly could get seriously grounded or lose cell phone privileges. I mean, come on, look at you. Now, you definitely got fleas, don't you? And that's cool, because I got them too. So you can tell me. Aha! Psych! I don't have fleas. That there was a mind game. My superior bunny brain just tricked you. You guys want to practice wagging your tails? You in the middle. Wiggle your butt. That's not bad. All right. Keep it down. No barking. Okay, well, a little barking. Go ahead. Y'all can let it out. All right, stop now. Hey, you over there. Why are you so nervous? You need to be walked? Now keep going this way. We're going to sneak through the building's storage area. If anyone discovers you, it's all over. But don't worry, everyone will be looking at me. All right, keep it moving. You in the back, why you moving so slow? Use that puppy energy. Move it. Move it.
Hey, don't listen
because she's not a dog. It's gonna be fine, okay? Just listen to Captain Snowball and do exactly what he says. Unless he says something crazy, which he probably will. Anyway, have fun.
Remember to listen to Snowball, which is something I never thought I'd say.
Some of us get super cool high-tech drunk. Come on, go down this black house. Don't worry, there are dangers. I'm very sensitive with water. Check out my buddy's house. Yeah, a flying boat. You can go home now. You can officially see it all. What do you filthy rats do?
Okay, good one, guys. So my best friend, eat that! Oh, my ears!
These rockets on the earth are twice as bad.
This plan was crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Can we take one home?
You're so cute! Please, please, please!
Yeah, please, please, please.
Come back down the leash. What do you say?
Oh, just wait till you spend the night in this thing. Oh, that's good.
You're welcome, people. It's a celebration.
You did it! You sat there and watched stuff. You're
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.